Hello and welcome to a video. This video right here is going to be the first video with the new name. So, you might see that it says Malakowsky Motorsports now. I'll put it on the screen, Malakowsky Motorsports right there. And that's because I'm changing it up. Because I feel like people are more likely to click on a... He just slobbed all over me. More likely to click on a, on like a brand name or a company name versus someone's name, aka me, Tristan Malakowsky. That's what it used to be called. So this video is the first video of Malakowsky Motorsports. So, and for the first video of Malakowsky Motorsports, I just want to do something teensy tiny and small. So, but I wanted to let you know, Malakowsky Motorsports, put it on the screen one more time, just so you can see, because I don't want you to freak out like, oh, who's this dude I'm subscribed to? That's me, alright? And, yeah, so let's just jump right into this video. So, this thing is starting to look more and more like a race car on the inside. I got my fire extinguisher, which is that, not that, that's my water bottle. I got my hydro. It's not hooked up yet, but it's in there. See, there's no line. See that? That's just a plug. Got my hydro, got my custom shift knob, which is sick. I got my sweet glow shift gauges with that Street Faction bezel. I got my Grip Royal pizza plate here, horn delete plate. And you know, this, sorry NRG, but this is just not gonna work for me right here. This one came with the car. It had like a fake leather on it, and that ripped off months ago. And then I put some stickers on it, and the steering wheel's bent. I'll show you that. It's bent right here and here, and I'll show you that once it's off. So, I know that you've seen what I'm about to show you. I know I've showed it before, it's been in videos, but I took it off for a long time because at the place I worked, there was no sinks or bathrooms, so, and I was dirty work, so at the end of the day my hands would be filthy and grimy, and I didn't want to ruin my nice steering wheel. So, we're reinstalling, because it was on the car, my Grip Royal, right here. That's a nice Grip Royal. So I got a Grip Royal with the suede, let me turn the camera around here. Grip Royal, it's got the synthetic suede, not the real suede. I don't even know if they have an option for the real suede, but it's the synthetic suede. It's supposed to be stronger, more durable, whatnot. And I'm going to use my pizza delete, or horn delete, to cover up those ugly wires. And then look, I got two kinds of bolts. I got the flat ones, which are in this. Then I got the, like, recessed ones. Or not recessed, but that style that poke out a little bit. I'm not going to run those. I'm going to run these because they're nice and flat and beautiful. And then I got a new NRG quick release, which is black and gold. It fits the theme of the car. Got their nice little logo right there. So, you know, I got my black and gold everywhere here. Black and gold. The whole theme. So yeah, I'm going to pull this crappy steering wheel off real quick. And this steering wheel will probably end up in the RX-7 at some point. I'm not going to just throw away an NRG steering wheel. So it'll probably end up in the RX-7 eventually. So that's kind of the color scheme you could see for the RX-7 possibly. Maybe, I don't know. Easter egg, little hint there. Who knows? I'm going to pull this one off real quick, and then we're going to slap that one on, and it's going to be really easy, really simple, short video. So now what I have to do is I have to take this steering wheel off that quick release hub so I can put the pizza plate inside of there. I had it on top of this one, but that was kind of just to cover up some of the ugly stickers and whatnot, so I'm going to do that real quick. So I got the hub on, and I have to put it, you see it's upside down there, but that's because I don't want the button right there you gotta push. I don't want that on top, I want it on bottom, so, well, okay, well look, since it prematurely popped, this is the button, so when you pull it, see it hits that button, so then you can quick release it and it locks it. But I don't want that button, so I don't want it on top, which is how it would be if that plate was on top. So that's where mine is, so my button is right here. So when I take it off, I just go click with his finger. So that's how I had it before, that's how I like it. So now, I'm gonna have to set the camera down for this because it's gonna be difficult to put the pizza plate and the steering wheel on at the same time. But it's gonna be sweet. I have to make sure my wheels, oh, look at this fitment, watch. Beautiful. I have to make sure my wheels are straight, which they look pretty straight, so that's good enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap this Grip Royal on. And just like that, she's all done. Look at how beautiful that is. That's sweet. Get some turn action going there. Look at how bad my steering is. I need to fix this crap. Anyways, she's all done. It's looking beautiful. These, in case you're wondering, where you can get a pizza horn delete plate. That's on Grip Royal. GR Grip Royal. Grip Royal. So that is on their website. They have like 50 of these. Go check them out. They're sweet. It'll be in the link in the description. I chose the pizza one because I thought it's cool. The backside is just blank pizzas, but I like the GR. It looks really sweet. So, this is all done. Look at how nice this interior is coming together. I got the suede on the dash, which this is like super fuzzy suede. And this is like a little bit more rough suede. It's actually synthetic suede, but nonetheless, it's like the same color, both of them. It kind of looks like that one's a little less dark as this one, but it's because that one has some dust in it. I have to clean it. But, you know, I got the suede, I got the gold quick release, and I got the gold hydro, and that shift bezel, which I still have to paint that little mess up from that other video that I did when I put the hydro in. So, yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had a good old grand time watching. So now remember, this is no longer the Tristan Malakowsky YouTube channel. That one's dead. This is Malakowsky Motorsports YouTube channel, which is gonna be sick. It's actually gonna be the same videos, I'm just changing the name because I feel as if, you know, people are more likely to watch a brand or go and seek out a brand or a company name versus a person, aka myself. I think I mentioned that in the beginning of the video, but nonetheless, this is the end of it. This is the first video on Malakowsky Motorsports. I do hope you enjoyed. Get you a Grip Royal, they're sweet. Get you a hydro, get you a drift car, honestly. They're like super cool. Yeah, and that's gonna be the end of this one. So I need you to like and subscribe. Tell all your friends, your family, your coworkers, your dog, your cat. If you got a fish, tell that thing too. That'd be pretty sweet. Tell everybody. So I'm trying to grow the channel. Anyways, there's gonna be two videos. There's gonna be one here. There's gonna be one here. The one here, that's the hydro install video. The one here, that is the flock in the dash. You're gonna want to see both those. They're really sweet. So I shall see you next time. Later.